When you look up at the night sky, almost everything you see is a lie. Okay, maybe not a lie, but a beautiful illusion. The stars, the galaxies, the nebulae that seem to paint the entire cosmos. They make up only about 5% of the actual universe. For every stunning star you can spot with a telescope, there's an invisible ocean of something else that's 20 times bigger. In the next few minutes, we're going to pull back the curtain on that beautiful illusion. We'll dive into the other 95%, the invisible dark secrets that are the true architects of our cosmos. These are the facts that reveal the hidden structure of reality, and I promise they will fundamentally change how you see everything. To start our journey into the invisible, we have to begin with the things we can see. The cosmic landmarks so mind-bending they already push our imagination to its limits. Right now, at the very heart of our own Milky Way galaxy, a monster is lurking in the dark. It's a supermassive black hole named Sagittarius A. And this isn't just any black hole. It packs the mass of 4 million suns, all crushed down into a single point. For decades, astronomers watched stars near our galactic center, seeing them whip around an invisible point at unbelievable speeds. It was the only explanation, and this incredible discovery, proving the beast was really there, earned the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics. And get this, it's not special. We now believe almost every large galaxy is anchored by one of these gravitational monsters, holding billions of stars in its constant spinning embrace. If you could see the universe in microwaves, you wouldn't see darkness between the stars at all. You'd see a faint, uniform glow coming from every single direction. This is the cosmic microwave background, and it's basically the echo of the Big Bang. It's the leftover heat from when our universe was just a baby, only 380,000 years old. This ancient light has been traveling for 13.8 billion years, and today, it blankets everything. It's in the room with you right now. In fact, a tiny bit of the static on an old, non-tuned TV is from the cosmic microwave background. You are literally seeing the afterglow of creation. We all learn in school that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. And that's true, nothing can move through space faster than light. But here's a loophole big enough to fit the entire universe in. The fabric of space itself has no speed limit. In the very first moments after the Big Bang, the universe inflated, swelling from smaller than an atom to larger than a galaxy, far, far faster than the speed of light. Think of it like baking raisin bread. The raisins are galaxies. As the bread bakes and expands, the raisins aren't moving through the dough, but the dough itself is carrying them apart. From one raisin's point of view, the farthest raisins are moving away the fastest. Today, the most distant galaxies we see are being carried away from us by this expansion at speeds that break the cosmic speed limit. So, we have monster black holes and the literal echo of creation. But remember, all of that is just the 5% we can see. It's just the glitter on a vast invisible structure. So, what's holding it all together? And what's pushing it all apart? To answer that, we have to step beyond the light and look into the dark. In the 1970 seconds, an astronomer named Vera Rubin was studying how galaxies spin, starting with our neighbor, Andromeda. She expected something logical. Stars near the center, where most of the shiny stuff is, should move faster than stars on the outer edge. Just like Mercury orbits our sun way faster than Neptune. But that's not what she found. The stars on the very edge of the galaxy were moving just as fast as the stars in the middle. This was a shocking discovery. These galaxies were spinning so fast that, with only the gravity of their visible stars, they should have ripped themselves apart, flinging stars into the empty void, and yet they weren't. Something else, something massive and invisible, was giving them the extra gravity to hold on. That something else is what we now call dark matter. According to the latest data, this mysterious substance makes up about 27% of our universe, while all the normal matter that's you, me, and every star you've ever seen is just under 5%. Dark matter is the ultimate ghost. It doesn't interact with light at all. It just passes right through you, the Earth, and everything you know without a trace. So how do we even know it's there? Purely through its gravity. It acts as an invisible scaffolding for the cosmos, a vast, unseen web that galaxies are built on. The glowing galaxies we see are like cosmic cities, built at the intersections of this invisible, universe-spanning highway. Even though we can't see dark matter, we can watch its power at work through an effect Einstein predicted called gravitational lensing. When light from a distant galaxy travels to us, if it passes a huge clump of dark matter, the powerful gravity of that clump will literally bend and magnify the light, like a cosmic magnifying glass. This creates bizarre and beautiful distortions in images from telescopes like Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope. You see stretched out arcs, multiple images of the same galaxy, and even perfect circles of light called Einstein rings. By mapping how light gets bent, astronomers can map out exactly where the invisible matter is. So, what is dark matter? The honest answer? We don't know. The leading theory is that it's a completely new kind of particle, one not in our standard model of physics. Scientists have given them names like WIMPs, or weakly interacting massive particles. Right now, deep underground in hypersensitive labs, shielded from all cosmic noise, experiments are running to try and catch the faint whisper of a single dark matter particle bumping into a nucleus. One of these is the Lux Zeppelin experiment in South Dakota, using 10 tons of liquid xenon to hunt for these phantom particles. Finding one wouldn't just solve a cosmic mystery. It would start a revolution in physics. For most of the 20th century, astronomers figured the universe had two possible fates. Either it would expand forever, or all its gravity would eventually slam on the brakes and pull it all back into a big crunch. Then, in 1998, two teams studying distant supernovae found something that nobody expected. The expansion of the universe isn't slowing down. It's speeding up. This was so baffling it was like throwing an apple in the air and watching it accelerate into space instead of falling back down. That discovery won a Nobel Prize and opened up the biggest mystery in cosmology. To explain this acceleration, scientists had to propose a new, unknown form of energy. They called it dark energy. And it's by far the most dominant thing in our universe, making up a whopping 68% of everything. Unlike gravity, which pulls things together, dark energy is a repulsive force, an anti-gravity that's woven into the fabric of space-time itself. It constantly pushes everything apart. And here's the most humbling part: we have almost no idea what it is. It's easily the single biggest mystery in all of science. Recent data from the Dark Energy Spectroscopic Instrument, DESI, even hints that dark energy might not be constant and could be weakening over time. A discovery that, if confirmed, could completely rewrite the future of our universe. If dark energy keeps pushing the universe apart faster and faster, we are headed for a very strange and lonely future. In about 100 billion years, every single galaxy outside our immediate galactic neighborhood will have been pushed so far away that their light can't reach us anymore. Their speed will be faster than light, carrying them over our cosmic horizon forever. Think about it. An astronomer in that distant future would look out and see nothing but the stars of our own merged, Milkomeda galaxy. They would conclude that the universe is just one single island of stars, static and alone. They'd have no evidence of the Big Bang, no hints of other galaxies, and no way of knowing the true scale of the cosmos. All that knowledge will be erased by the relentless expansion of space. Our ultimate fate isn't a fiery big crunch, but a cold, dark, and endless big freeze. Conclusion. We started by saying the night sky is a lie, but it's really just a tiny fraction of a much bigger, stranger truth. The real universe is an invisible battlefield, a cosmic tug-of-war between the unseen gravity of dark matter pulling everything together and the mysterious force of dark energy pushing it all apart. We just happen to live in a brief, privileged moment in cosmic history where we can still see both sides of the fight. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember what you're really seeing. The beautiful glowing embers of a cosmic fire scattered across a universe that is far grander, far stranger, and far more mysterious than our eyes will ever let us see. If these facts just changed your perspective on everything, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more journeys into the unknown. And let us know in the comments, which of these facts blew your mind the most? We'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching.